Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we'll be talking about an upcoming severe weather outbreak that will be happening in about 3 to 4 days from now, uh, which is unfortunate because we've already had enough of these outbreaks. But before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 80% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please hit the subscribe button. It only takes 1 second, and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss an upload. But sadly, the SPC has highlighted a 15% risk for Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and even parts of Kansas and far extreme southwestern Missouri. Cities included are Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Arlington, Little Rock. So just be aware that this is the greatest potential. This area has the greatest potential for a severe weather outbreak that could happen. But severe weather can definitely happen outside of here. As stated down here, if I can find it. Yeah, some severe risk will likely extend farther north into Missouri and portions of the mid-Mississippi Valley, but instability may be somewhat weaker. So severe weather is definitely possible more to the north, but this is where they're most confident in and has the highest potential. Now let's look at models. Right here with the latest 12Z GFS run surface-based CAPE, you can see he really kicks up Tuesday, which is that day of severe weather outbreak. Tuesday, you do see some pretty high CAPE values, especially towards the end of the day Tuesday, afternoon, evening. Especially 00Z, which is, I believe, is 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where CAPE values may reach above 4,000, which is not a good sign. But I will tell you, all severe hazards are possible, but we are not expecting significantly severe tornadoes at this time. Matter of fact, tornadoes will be less of a threat than wind and hail, but still definitely a threat. Tornadoes will still be a threat. But we are currently not expecting like EF2s above greater, like the last couple outbreaks. But it is something that needs to be watched. And right around the 00Z time, 7 p.m. ish, you do see some storms firing up around then, especially in the northern portions of the region, and then it pushes down into the overnight hours. The reason why tornadoes are not as bad of a threat as currently expected is because wind shear is kind of delayed. Wind shear kind of gets set back a little bit. If you look here, let me just move forward a little bit. Okay, here, 00Z to 06Z, storms are around here, this region, but the more favorable shear will be to the north here. So that's why tornadoes are less of a threat. They're still a threat, definitely, but this is why we're not expecting as many as the last couple weeks have been. So the stronger shear will be to the north of the severe weather. And if the shear can shift downwards, southwards, there will definitely be more of a tornado threat. So that will be something to watch for. Because even though I doubt it will shift southwards, but still something to watch out for. And severe weather is also possible into the Midwest. If we can go over here into the Ohio Valley area. You do see here Tuesday, some storms kind of pushing into Missouri, Illinois, and northwards. Looking at surface-based CAPE, you do see here that it is not as strong as south, but you could definitely see marginal risks up here for severe weather, but I would not count on it. That's your trusted weather forecast for this upcoming potentially major severe weather outbreak. I will be updating you when the date gets closer, but make sure to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.